Do you want to know my secret 4-step process that enables me to travel where I want, when I want, and in the style that I want? At the moment, we're hanging out in Ballito. Yes, we are having a fantastic time with the family, and I'm only having to work about 2 hours a day, and I can still enjoy. This is exactly the process that you need if you want to be able to do something like this or similar. Number one, you need to be able to sell a digital product that is in high demand. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Number two, you need to make sure that you've set up an automated online system that is working for you 24/7 so that you can go hang out on the beach, you can go for a walk, you can spend time with the family, do all of those things and not have to be at your desk or at your laptop. You only want to be able to work, you only want to work 2 hours a day. Step number three, discovery. How do people discover you? You want to be speaking to your ideal customer. For me, you are probably the type of person who loves to travel. You want to travel where you want to travel when you want, and you want to travel in a style that suits you. So make sure that your content, step number 4, is then relatable and helps others. So again, make sure that you head down into the descriptions and grab my free blueprint, or just pop that follow button and hang out with me a little bit more. I'm going to share with you exactly where I am.